Hassan in my channel. Today I will show you how to draw realistic art, and maybe you will draw like this someday. It's up to you. I was recording with the wrong mic. Okay, let's see. Of course we need materials. Smooth surface paper to help you to blend, and blender, I don't know, use cotton or don't know what to use. HB pencil, we need H5 pencil, 2B pencil, 4B and 8B. We need chalk powder, or you can use pencil with the brush. Of course we need to have eraser, normal or gummy eraser, but even better, mono eraser to give the highlights and details. And I think we made justice. To draw anything, absolutely anything, you need to know its shape and how many shapes that object made from. Like today we have an eye to do. So let's see how many shapes we need to do. artist has his way. Like I love to cover all the paper or the subject with clear color, then start to add shadings, light source, dark places, shadow, and there is who specific the area, shadow area, light area, reflection area, and it is a good way, to be honest. But I will use my way this time. Feel free to use it, and I hope you will like the video and enjoy it. So let's continue. And don't judge me. I didn't draw since March. 3 months? I don't know. So let's continue. As you can see, we need to do more and more and more layers to give it this realistic feeling. It is a long video and I must speed it up. Sorry. Now we'll give it some highlight. Oh man, I hate graphic pencil. They reflect light and I love charcoal. It's easy, more efficient, doesn't reflect any light. So yes, charcoal rules for me. So guys, this is it, and sorry for bad quality. I need new camera. Okay, so I hope you learned anything and enjoyed this video. If yes, share it with your artist friend and tell me in the comment section what I should post in the next video. You was watching MM Star. See you next time.